Hi everyone watching, great to see you again online. Here in this video, we have this problem 19 to the power x minus 2 to the power x equals 357, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 357 into two numbers such as 21 times 17. Next, you are going to break down 21 into the summation of 19 plus 2 and express 17 as 19 minus 2. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 19 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Join the adventure by hitting like and subscribe.